Hello everyone, today we will make a video for the order reset for the Citroen. First of all, we need to connect BSI with our tablet via Bluetooth, and OBD2 connect with the BSI, and power connect with BSI. Then we enter to the main menu of our tablet. Close the calibrate and Citroen menu. We choose the latest version here. Click OK to continue. We choose the BSI. If you do not know the BSI type, then you can choose the first one, Auto Select. Here we can take a look at this BSI type, BSI 2004P0X. So we choose the menu select here. The last one. Click OK to continue. First of all, we need to read the input data. It's communicating now. It's reading data now. Here we can save the data with the file name, or you can input your own file name. Here we click down to continue. Click OK. Yes. Then the second step, we choose the mileage adjustment. Click yes to continue. Okay. At the present, mileage is 206641 kilometer. Click yes. Here we input 3000 for example. Click down. Click OK to continue. OK. It's in processing now. Click OK to continue. Adjustment success. Click OK.